Right, I hope everyone's doing okay. Just wanted to show you this like Meccano style rat trap I made. I've got some of this. It's not real Meccano, it's like whatever kind of metal building strips, I suppose. And I kept looking at it thinking, oh, I bet I could make a mouse trap or something like that. So it's pretty much in the style of any ordinary mouse trap, other than for the springs it's got elastic bands, and you could use coil springs, or if you could find a way of putting actual rat trap springs on it, it might work, but I just couldn't quite get it. So like I said, pretty much exactly the same as an ordinary rat trap. So you've got your bar, but I've had to put it on a bit of string. If you pull this down too far, it gets to a point where it won't spring up again. So a little bit of a bent bit there, a piece of string. This bit comes around here. Same bent one there each side to make a hinge. Same there, and then a little kind of treadle plate on there. So you can see how it is. This bit is just on there loose. Pivots. The arm goes underneath there. Once that's pushed down, holds this piece back like that. Once this is pushed down, this will just fly up in the air, and the kill bar strikes. Set it just like an ordinary mouse trap as well, like I said. Hands in the way, but bait could be on here, whatever. I might see if I can make a body grip trap out of this as well. The bands I've just put through, and then because it was too long, I kind of just wrapped them around. Two pieces for the bottom, a few bolts. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.